The domino jointer and biscuit jointers are very useful tools to have in the workshop. There is a reference fence here which will give me a reference anything up to 30mm from the centre of the tool. But what happens if you want to cut a slot which is more than 30mm away from the edge? Fortunately, there is another reference surface on this tool, and that is the base. And no matter what size tool is installed, the centre of the tool is always 10mm above the surface of the base. I have a piece of clear perspex and I've scribed a line 10mm from this edge and made it black with a marker pen. And I can use that to set it exactly in line with the layout line on my workpiece. I can put the workpiece in the vise like that, and I know that that line is 10mm above the jaw of my vise. So I can take my domino tool, and that slot is exactly in line. To find out just how far this line needs to be from the edge of the plastic, I take a piece of scrap and push it against a bench dog set up in my bench, put the biscuit jointer flat on the bench and make a cut. I can now set my marking gauge to the centre of the line and transfer that distance directly to my perspex, and then darken it with a black pen so that it shows up nice and cleanly. With one edge calibrated for my domino jointer and the other edge calibrated for my biscuit jointer, it means that all my slots are in the right place first time, every time.